Okay, so next topic is the next tags are the subscript and the superscript. First of all, everyone, I'm going to mute everyone and I'm not unmuting to you. So if you have a query, just write down in your note, and at the last when I unmute you, then you can ask me. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. Okay, so first of all, let's see subscript and the superscript. Okay, so first is the superscript that we learn. These two tags are used for the mathematic purpose. When we want to show the as a formulas as an output, then we have to use these two tags, superscript and subscript. First one is the superscript. It makes the text enclosed inside it appear as the superscript. And what is the subscript? It's same, both are the same, but that will be a slight different. First, when you are writing the superscript, then the text will be slightly up to the normal line. Where here you can see in the example, a plus b is in the normal line, while 2 is the slightly upper, and here also 2 is slightly upper. So when the number is slightly upper, when you write down this type of formula, then you have to use the superscript. मतलब आपको कोई भी फॉन्ट है, कोई भी टेक्स्ट है, उसको स्लाइटली ऊपर डिस्प्ले करना हो छोटे राइटिंग में, then you have to use the superscript. What is the subscript? For the subscript means the number will be write down slightly down. जैसे कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा अपर था नॉर्मल लाइन से, यहाँ पे अपर लाइन से थोड़ा लो में जाएगा. So this is the difference between the superscript and the subscript. So let's take an output. Let's check how it works. So I already made one program, and here I'm using first superscript. Sorry. Okay. I'm using one formula. One formula is that AB. Okay, I show you first. This is the formula. AB square A plus B bracket square equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is the superscript. But I want to write down first simply. First I have to write A plus B. A plus B. And now A plus B whole square means I have to use the superscript. Square means 2. If you want to write down the cube, then you can write here 3. Superscript closed. Okay, equals to मैं अभी आपको इतना सा ही आउटपुट दिखाऊंगी, बाद में हम आगे का देखेंगे. So let's check an output. It will be on the desktop. I already saved this file. That name is the text.html. When I double click on this, you can see here A plus B. Everyone, I hope that all are able to see the square will be here. When I use the superscript, then there will be a square. Now what will be output of this formula? A plus B whole square equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So for that we have to use the superscript again. First A as it is, now I have to write the square. So I use the superscript to, again superscript, plus 2AB plus. Let's check an output. Who are scratching first of all? Okay, let's check an output. Okay, A square plus 2AB is here. Now B square. So B as it is, for square I am again using the superscript. That is a 2. . Again save. Urjani, you can ask me your question at the last when I done this text. Okay, the output will become a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is one of the mathematical formula. Now we are going to use, okay, who have a query? That will be Divyansh.
मैम
Yes.
मैम ये 2+b ये सब की जगह पे हम दूसरा कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं ना?
यस, लिख सकते हो आप। ये तो मैं आपको एक फॉर्मूला दिखा रही हूँ जिसको आप मतलब यूज करते हो मैथमेटिकली फंक्शन में। अगर कोई मैथ्स की वेबसाइट हुई और उसमें ऐसे स्क्वायर हो, क्यूब हो, तो उसके लिए आप क्या करोगे? तो इसके लिए आपको सुपरस्क्रिप्ट और सबस्क्रिप्ट के यूज करना पड़ेगा। ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज subscript. Okay, I am using the like this x1 plus x2 equals to 10. This is the formula I am using. So x as it is, and I want to write 1 below the x. So I am using the subscript sub. Wait, see the output, then raise your hand. Closed. Wait. Let's check an output for this. Okay, I'm not using the BR, so X1 will be here. You can see X1 is like this. So first of all, I put the BR tag and remove space from here. Okay. X1 plus X2 X2. So I have to also write down the super in the below. So again I'm using the subscript. That is totally depend on you. Okay. Again I save and show you the output. Okay, x1 plus x2 equals to 10. So equals to 10. Again save and show you the output. Okay, so this type of formula, if you want to write down this type of formula in your own web page, then you have to use the superscript as well as the subscript. Okay, now we are going to the next tag, that is the comment tag. What is the meaning of comment? Wait, I am going to ask to everyone. Okay. If you know what is the comments, then you can unmute yourself and answer me.
मैम कमेंट मतलब कॉम्प्लीमेंट।
Compliment. Another meaning? What is the other meaning of comment? What is meaning of comment? Anyone?
Ma'am, something said or written to anyone.
Something said or written to anyone.
Written to anyone.
About them. Right ना? मतलब मुझे आपके बारे में कुछ बोलना है. That will be called the comment.
Yes.
Yes, right. So like that we are using the comments. For example, अभी तो आप बहुत छोटे-छोटे वेब पेजेस बना रहे हो. मैंने अभी आपको सिंपल टेक्स्ट ही बताए हैं. बहुत सिंपल टेक्स्ट का हम अभी यूज कर रहे हैं. But when you are going to web page, there are many more text you have to use. But sometimes you forgot this tag. Why I am using this tag? Why I am using P tag? Why I am using the H1 tag? So that for that we are using the comment tag. So comment tag is nothing, it code that are not executed by the browser. मतलब आप लिखोगे उस टैग को यूज करोगे लेकिन वो आपको ब्राउजर में नहीं दिखाई देगा. कमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो भी हो उसके बारे में बताना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वॉन्ट टू से अबाउट द H1. ये H1 टैग है वो किसके लिए यूज होता है? फॉर द लार्जेस्ट हेडिंग। तो मुझे ब्रैकेट में लिखना हो तो मैं लिख सकती हूँ यूजिंग ऑफ कमेंट टैग, बट वो वेब ब्राउजर में डिस्प्ले नहीं होगा, just because it's a one type of comment. They are not shown in the web page. They can be used to add personal notes or the description in the HTML document. Comments mostly used in the when we are making the complex codes, when we are making the high level web page. अभी हम एकदम simple web page बना रहे हैं, तो so that's why I can not use the comments. I just show you the demo. Okay, so this is the structure, this is the tag syntax, that is exclamation mark, dash, dash, and you have to write down the sentence which you are using as a comment, again dash, dash, and close the tag. So let's check it in the our. Okay, first I am using the here before body H1 tag heading. Okay, I'm writing superscript and subscript. And subscript. And close the H1. Okay, now we are going to see the output. Sorry. Okay, it's too much bigger, so I'm changing it by H3. It's smaller, but I increase the page size. That's why you can see it's so much larger. Superscript and subscript, I write down this as a heading. Now I want to put the comment. I'm using this for the heading. So I'm writing the comment dash dash. So you can see all texts are converted in the green just because I don't close this tag. So whenever you are writing a comment, it means it will be converted in green. So I request to everyone, please mute yourself. I can hear some of the noise. If you have query, then unmute yourself and ask. Before that, don't unmute yourself. I request to everyone. Okay, so I am writing that this is used. What is this? Used for heading. What is this? And for close, you have to put to dash and close. So you can see all tags are again converted in the blue and the black. And here this comment tag is as a green text. अगर ग्रीन टेक्स्ट होता है तो आपको यही सोचना है कि ये कमेंट है. ओके, आपने पहले आउटपुट देख लिया था, वापिस से हम आउटपुट देखते हैं कि ये वाला टैग जो है वहां पे दिखता है कि नहीं दिखता. I saved it and show you the output. There will be no change just because this is a one type of comment and that will be not displayed in your web page. आपके web page में वो display नहीं होंगे, मैं कितनी भी बार refresh करूँ. So this is the thing that we learned the three tags: superscript, subscript, and the comment. Now we are going to learn the next topic, that is the elements and the attributes. Anyone have an idea what is the elements and the attributes? Elements about. If you have an idea, then you can tell me what is elements. Tags in HTML are called the elements. Tags का दूसरा नाम ही elements है. And attributes, the thing what we are writing in the text, that are called the attributes with the value. सबकी value different होती है. So यहाँ से थोड़ा additional start होगा. So आपको यहाँ से थोड़ा ध्यान ज़्यादा देना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि क्या होगा, थोड़ा confusion भी हो जाएगा और थोड़ा भूल भी जाओगे कि किसका कौन सा attribute था. Okay, so what is the attribute? A tag can have additional parts called the attributes This attribute help to change the specific features of tag. Okay, so I want to show the some of the additional thing. Okay, what is this? Okay, attribute have a two values. First one is the name and the second one is the value. Okay, name का मतलब क्या होगा? For example, you are using the body tag. Body is the name. Body जो होगा वो name होगा. But what is the value? आप attribute का नाम लिख रहे हो, उसके सामने कोई value लिख रहे हो, that is called the value. अभी आपको इतना idea नहीं आएगा, but when we are learn the example, then you are able to understood what is that. So first tag for the body, first attribute that is the BG color. मतलब कि बैकग्राउंड कलर अगर आपको आपके वेब पेज में चाहिए, जैसे कि हमारा ये वेब पेज है पूरा व्हाइट है. I want a black color. Sorry, not a black color. I want a light yellow color. So what should I have to do? Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clear.
There will be a network issue. That's why I think you are not able to hear my voice clearly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, we learn the first attribute that is the BG color. Means अगर आपको आपके वेब पेज में बैकग्राउंड कलर चाहिए तो उसके लिए आप यूज करोगे BG कलर. सिंपली आपने जहां पे भी बॉडी टैग रखा है वहां पे ही आपको बीजी कलर रखना है. बॉडी के एट्रीब्यूट्स क्या हो गए? मतलब आपको बॉडी टैग के अंदर ही मॉडिफिकेशन करना है. डोंट यूज द अनदर टेक्स्ट. आप ऐसा नहीं करोगे कि आप दूसरे टेक्स्ट का यूज कर रहे हैं. वही टेक्स्ट के अंदर ही आपको करना है. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, in the HTML structure there will be only one head tag, only one body tag. अगर आप दो head tag दो body tag रखोगे तो आपका आउटपुट नहीं डिस्प्ले होगा. So I'm using first BG color. Okay, in the HTML you have to remember color spelling is the COLOR, not COLOUR. If you are writing COLOUR you will be wrong. Okay, so BG color means background color. Color will be changed in the red, so it's a right tag. And color I want to use, that is the yellow. Remember, when you are writing some of the text, like you want to write a red, you want to write a green, means you want to write any of the text, then you have to use double quotes. If you are not using double quotes, the output will be not displayed to you. Okay, I'm saving this. BG color मतलब background color आपका yellow होना चाहिए. So here is your program. अभी background color में कुछ नहीं है. When I refresh it, you can see at the background there will be color change in the yellow. पूरा color जो है वो yellow में convert हो रहा है. Okay, I don't like this color. I want to change it in the blue. Save. Again, refresh. So it will be converted in blue. Means it's totally dependent on you. आपको कौन सा color रखना है? But remember the name will be attached with the HTML. HTML में अगर वो support करता होगा तभी आपको output में दिखाएगा. So,
मैम
yes.
मैम पीछे ऐसे हाफ स्क्रीन पर कोई अलग कलर और हाफ स्क्रीन पर कोई अलग कलर, ऐसा हो सकता है?
For that you can use the such type of images. You can also put as a image as the background. Okay, just because I am using the body, मतलब कि पूरी body जो है उसमें होगा. अगर आप ऐसा लिखते हो, मतलब बीजी कलर के भी अलग से एट्रीब्यूट आते हैं. उसकी width मतलब 50% blue, then you can do that. Only 50% it will be displayed blue color, and at the 50% you want to display pink, then you can use this 50% by using width attribute, width or the height. That will be a more advanced. Now you have to learn the simple text only. Okay, that will be more difficult for you. Okay, so another one wants to ask something.
मैम
Yes.
मैम अगर 4 कलर रखने हो तो 25% कर
Yes, definitely, but there will be a more complex for you. Just because you not learned the width tag, so that's why you are not understood. When we are going forward, then I told you what is the width tag and how to use it. Any
Ma'am?
other?
Okay.
Yes.
मैम जब मैंने भी ऐसा किया तो मेरी फाइल सेव नहीं हुई थी
मतलब कैसे
मतलब
save नहीं?
कि हाँ मैम
Have you write down the extension .html at the last of
Yes,
the
ma'am.
name?
यस मैम
Okay, then you put the space between dot and the HTML.
ओके मैम
Don't put it, okay? Okay, so anyone have a query? In this 4 tags, first I learned superscript, then subscript, then comment tag, and the fourth I learned one attribute of body tag, that is the BG color.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I have query in subscript.
subscript. Okay. Subscript means if you write down any text, any number below the normal line. These are the normal line, means x है, plus है, x है, equals to है, 10 है, that is called the normal line. When you want to write the such text below the normal line, then you have to use the subscript. And upper the
Ma'am?
line, then you have to use the superscript. Yes, Urjan?
मैम मैम सबस्क्रिप्ट एंड सुपरस्क्रिप्ट
क्या हुआ?
मीनिंग समझ नहीं आया
You have to just remember one thing. If you want to write down the text or the number upper the normal line, ये जो होगी वो normal line होगी. A plus B जो है वो normal line है. उसके ऊपर आपको कोई नंबर लिखना हो, कोई टेक्स्ट लिखना हो, तो आपको सुपरस्क्रिप्ट का यूज करना है. इसका मीनिंग ही यही होता है. And when you want to write the number or the text below the normal line, then you have to use the subscript. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ आप नंबर ही लिख सकते हो. You can also write down the text. Let's check how to write the text. Okay. 1. So that will be converted in the 1. It's not necessary that you can write down only numbers. You can also write down the text. Yes.
मैम ये जो सम है उसके नीचे हमें अंडरलाइन करनी हो तो हम कर सकते हैं
क्या? वापस से रिपीट.
मैम ये जो आपने जो सम की है ये उसके नीचे हमें अंडरलाइन करनी हो तो हम कर सकते
हाँ,
हैं
कर सकते हो. आप अपनी वेब पेज को कैसे अट्रैक्टिव बनाते हो वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है. आपका वेब पेज बेस्ड दिखना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब हमारा चैप्टर खत्म होगा तो मैं आपको एक टास्क भी देने वाली हूँ. बाय यूजिंग ऑल द टेक्स्ट एंड यू हैव दैट विल बी अ लाइव. आपको आपकी स्क्रीन शेयर करके मेरे सामने ही बनाना है, मैं सबका देखूंगी. तो अभी से मैं बता रही हूँ, बी रेडी फॉर दैट. इफ यू हैव अ मोबाइल फोन then use the notepad, download the notepad in the mobile phone. Otherwise use laptop when we are on the live. Okay.
मैम तो वो कब करोगे?
Ending of chapter. Okay, so other thing I want to tell you that HTML have some codes for the colors. These are the colors that you have to be remembered. These text are these codes already given in your textbook also, ebook, textbook, whatever you have. So for example, here I'm show one demo. For red I have to use hash ff0000. So let's check. Try this one. In place of yellow you have to be write hash ff0000 4 times. I saved it and red color will be there. Okay, it will be changed in the red. सो आपको
Ma'am?
कोड्स भी याद रखने पड़ेंगे. अभी आपको सिर्फ यहाँ पे 6 कोड्स ही दिए हुए हैं. सभी
Ma'am?
कलर्स के लिए कोड्स आते हैं. यस
मैम
यस यस.
मैम मैम दिस FF00 किसमें भी लगा है मतलब कंप्यूटर में, तो ये कलर्स मतलब आ जाएंगे?
नहीं, this is for HTML only. HTML tags, not for everyone. Just because HTML found this. Yes.
मैम फॉर पिंक कलर व्हाट इज द कोड?
You have to just remember these codes. For pink, you have to just write down PINK. Pink color will be displayed. I will show you.
ओके मैम
Yes.
मैम व्हाट इज HTML?
Sorry. Again ask, please.
मैम व्हाट इज HTML?
You are a new student, I think.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am from yesterday I have joined.
Okay, so HTML is the one of the website. It's used one of the language that is used to make the web pages. अगर आपको कोई web pages बनाने हो, जैसे कि आप अपने फोन में ओपन करते हो, वेबसाइट्स ओपन करते हो, तो वो जो होती है वो HTML का यूज करके बनाई जाती है. सिंपल, नॉट एवरी, सिंपल जो वेब पेजेस होते हैं वो HTML का यूज करके बनाते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड द सिंपल लैंग्वेज. Full form of HTML is anyone? What is the full form of HTML?
Hypertext markup language.
Yes, that is the hypertext markup language. One type of language that is used to make a web page. Just remember this thing. Yes, Anvesha? You raise your hand. What happened, Anvesha?
No ma'am.
You raise your hand, that's why I am asking. Okay, so now
ma'am,
anyone
but
have a
the-
query in these 4 texts that we learned today?
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so nobody have a query the tag in the text?
No
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, superscript, we learned the things. First, superscript, when you want to write down the text or the number above the normal line, then you have to use the superscript. But when you want to write down the number of the text below the normal line, you have to use the subscript. Then we are using the comments tag for your information for such type of definition that will be not displayed on the web page. And then we learned the one attribute of the body tag, that is the BG color for the background. Okay, if you want to put in the background any of the color, then you can use the BG color. Don't put any space in the BG color. Okay, and write down the color name in double quotes. If you don't use double quotes, sometimes it will be not displayed the output. Not every time, but sometimes. Okay, so I think nobody have a query in this all the text. Yes,
मैम
Yes.
डबल कोड क्या होता है?
double quote, inverted comma हम बोलते हैं double quote. This is double
Ma'am?
quote. Yes.
Ma'am, what is today's homework?
Today's homework I told you. Okay, for the homework for today, you have to make a one web page using of this all the text. अभी हमने जो 4 टेक्स्ट सीखे हैं वो चारों टेक्स्ट का यूज करके आपको एक HTML प्रोग्राम बनाना है.
Okay, comment tag.
Sorry again, यानी
Ma'am, homework comment tag.
एक मिनट, कोई एक बोलेगा तो मैं सुनूंगी. Wait.
Ma'am, repeat the homework which we have to write. I can't listen, that's why.
No need to write anything. Just you have to make a one web page using HTML. That is this. You use the 4 tags. First one is the superscript, subscript, then comment tag, and the BG color. Yes, then
Please revise. Ma'am, revise the comment tag.
comment tag means if you want to write down something about the tag, but not want to display about that thing on the web page, then you have to use the comment tag. कमेंट टैग का मतलब क्या होता है, उसके बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन, वो टैग क्या है, किसके लिए यूज आप कर रहे हो, दैट इज द कमेंट टैग. एंड secondly, that will be not display in the web page.
मैम
Yes.
मैम एक बार वो आपने नोटपैड में बनाई थी, वो स्क्रीन खोल के दिखाओ ना.
You know, ये नोटपैड वाली नहीं है, ये वेब पेज है हमारा, जो मैंने ब्राउजर
मैम,
में ओपन की है.
हाँ पर मैम वो आपने उस दूसरे में बनाया था जिसमें
दिस इज
वो वाला.
नोटपैड ऑलरेडी ओपन. नोटपैड पहले से ही ओपन ही था. You want to take a pic? I think. Anybody want to take a pic? Then they can. अगर आपको एक फोटो लेना हो तो इसका ले सकते हो. Otherwise,
Yes,
when I
ma'am.
upload this video, you can stop and you can check.
मैम पिक